I'm going to go through the Mantra 3. To go through some of the improvements, we went to a G10 carbon fiber laminate on this one. It's a peel ply, so it will give you a little bit of texture. This one is a compression lock, so it's a nested compression lock. The liners are just nested into the G10. It's going to be an open back construction, so it's very lightweight. The lock's going to give it great strength. It flips well. The compression lock and the ball bearing mechanisms and the weight and the balance of this one give it a much better flip than the old Mantras. We've improved our ball bearing mechanism since the past, constant quality improvement. The ball bearing mechanism now uses larger ball bearings than the previous Mantra. Uses a phosphorus bronze washer. It's going to give it less drag. We use a hard stainless interface for the ball bearings now. That gives it a hard surface to write on rather than the G10 or a thin, softer surface. So we've really improved our flipper mechanism. The blade is an S30V. The old ones were made out of M4, so they were a tool steel. They weren't as stainless. And this one's going to be a much more corrosive resistant, cut very well, user-friendly knife. So this is the Mantra 3, good for all types of carry.